You're dismissed from my building because we don't want you in here anymore.
This is a public building. It's not your building.
But if you have no official business,
I do.
If you have no official business,
the First Amendment is official business.
I get that.
Public record.
How you doing?
Good, sir.
Good. Hey, the bank obviously called. I'm sure you know that.
Oh, I don't know that, sir. Did they? Why did they call? Is there anything going on I should freak out about, or?
No, they just said because you're recording.
Oh, okay.
It makes people feel.
You leave.
What I'm gonna ask
Can you leave? Are you refusing to leave?
You didn't ask us to leave. You asked us if we can. You're not telling us.
All right. I am ordering you guys to leave.
And if we don't leave?
I'm ordering you guys to leave.
And if we don't
It
leave?
is trespass. Are you leaving or not?
I'm gonna ask you again not to touch that in your pocket. All right, if you do it again, I'm gonna put you in custody.
For what crime?
And that's the reason I'm doing it.
For what crime?
And I want to stay safe.
Have you ever witnessed a situation where police abuse their power, deliberately intimidating citizens just because they dare to pick up a camera and record? Today, we have several prime examples. Citizens who have broken no laws but become police targets simply for recording them. From absurd encounters and subtle threats to the fearless responses of these citizens, this video will leave you outraged, shocked, and most importantly, more aware of your rights. Don't take your eyes off the screen, because what you're about to see will make you rethink how law enforcement operates in today's society. Government office staff don't want to be on camera, then police rush in to violate constitutional rights.
Can you please exit the facility?
Why do I need to exit?
You're not allowed to record in this building.
Why is that? Can you get your supervisor?
I am a supervisor.
Let's dive right in with an intriguing situation at the Nevada Department of Wildlife. A citizen was filming in the lobby because the area displayed some interesting animal exhibits. However, he quickly caught the attention of a secretary, someone who works for the public but clearly doesn't know how to interact with them properly. And just like that, officers rushed in only to make the situation worse instead of better. So what really happened? Let's find out.
Let's go, baby. Not on the way out like usual. That's cool.
You can't record stuff in here.
Really? Why not?
It's against the law.
Oh, I don't want to break the law. What law is it? Yeah, I'm trying to figure out what law it is.
Can you please exit the facility?
Is this public? Pictures of the animals. Is this a public office?
Can you please exit the facility? You're not allowed to record in this building.
Why is that? Can you get your supervisor?
I am a supervisor.
State office, right? Okay, I don't understand. I haven't even been able to get that I want or anything like that.
I'm sorry, man. We can't have any recording in here.
Can I? Who's her supervisor? Public office, right? Is it state office?
What's your business here?
Well, I'm gonna get some of these forms. I'm gonna figure out how to get public record to do. So whether you want recording or not, is there a law that says I can't record?
Let me go ask our law enforcement.
Sorry, on?
This office, specifically?
Just Nevada Department of Wildlife?
Yeah. Yeah, so why can't we record here? I know the questions I'm asking are not a law that says that. She says that there is, but there is not. You can record in public lobbies of public offices. Hey, how you doing?
Good, you?
Good.
So what's up?
Oh, like I just explained to him, I'm doing a story on this office. I'm going to public information. And for some reason, she thinks it's against the law to record in here. And
No, but what are you going to air it?
Answer that.
Well, but you need her permission to put her anybody's likeness on the. Well, you do. Well, then we can ask you to leave.
Which I did politely.
So
again, for what? This is
because
a public. Okay, so just like I was explaining to him, there's 2 cases I can give you, and many more that say the same thing.
And that's fine.
Listen, this out to you.
You speak.
So if you make a mistake, we can file suit. But anyways, one is the Glick case. Can be recorded by the public from public spaces, which this public lobby is, anytime you're on duty. Which governs Nevada, all this has ruled on this time and time again.
Okay.
So why you guys don't know this, I don't understand.
Okay, so what is your business here?
Well, 1, I'm doing a story. I'm a journalist. It's my First Amendment right to do that. Records. 3, I'm getting this public information for dissemination to the public.
Okay.
So this is all my business. Whether you guys or her like what I'm recording or not doesn't matter.
Okay, and so we'll do that. Okay.
Okay.
You do your thing.
Yeah, I mean, when I'm done recording, I'll definitely move along.
No,
Obviously,
you're
I
going to
have
get
stuff
your
do.
public records. We're done. Come back, but you don't need to be filming us. Okay? She doesn't want to be filmed. Do your business.
Can't
No,
look
no,
at
no.
you. Yeah.
What's
Sir,
your business?
what
And then we'll
records
just
can we
move
get
on.
you?
Part of my business is my story, right?
And that's fine.
you guys are public because it doesn't seem like you know what you're talking about.
Well, I don't.
No,
Okay,
I'm
you're-
an expert on these laws, buddy.
Okay. Listen, you're an expert, and everybody's an expert.
Okay.
If you are interfering with her doing business, all of us doing
Those
business.
can't be the interference. I agree with you if I'm.
I'm not saying your camera's
doing
doing it.
up and
You're
down.
interfering. She
How?
would ask you to leave. You do your business.
Fordyce versus
exit.
Seattle. Your guys' feelings don't trump my First Amendment rights.
Then bring a lawsuit.
I this about you and help you,
And I'm trying
so
to-
you don't make a mistake and open up the state to a lawsuit.
Well, I'm speaking to you.
Why would you open?
To you? You listen to me.
I've been listening to you. I've
Okay,
been
well,
quiet
not
the
with
whole
your
time
mouth
you've been
running.
talking. Not with your
Do
mouth
your
running.
business.
This is what's your name?
You got that?
What is it? My eyes are bad. These aren't my glasses.
McCusker, right there.
McCusker.
Okay.
Gotcha. Personnel number.
Which one do you want? I got a whole
Whatever
bunch
one
of
you
numbers.
have. Badge
my
number,
phone
I
number?
guess. What is it? Yeah.
What do you
email?
What public records would you like?
That's
Tell
what we
us
want to help
would
you do.
like.
Let's get your
We will
records.
help you.
I'm
and then
going
you
to.
can
I
move
don't
on.
need your help.
You can't
and,
sit
and
here
my,
and on camera,
I've
but
been
we're
here.
going to give you what
I've
you
been
need.
here 3 minutes.
We're here to help you
And you
with
guys
what
have
you need.
stopped me the whole time.
is it?
Pictures and angles. Yes, you guys are talking to me. I'm going to grab some of this information. Don't need your help at all when
How about it?
when I get a public
How about
record
it?
request.
How about it?
Okay, and what's your name?
What's the
Zach
point?
Campbell.
What's the point of this?
I'm doing a story on this office, which I have a right to do, recording the entire.
Well,
And
the
what's your problem?
Is, well, obviously
Trying to
we're
help
standing
you.
out here. We're
I don't
trying to
need
help
your
you.
help.
What do you want?
I'll tell you when I
four
need help.
employees of this
Ton of
you.
money that should just go back to work
Trying
and let
to
me do
help
my
you.
job.
Amen,
I know
brother.
she
Amen.
can
You're
get the
making
public
us.
records request. All kind of public records. One's going to be all your names, salaries, work hours, work days, any phone
She
numbers
doesn't
that you
have
guys
that.
are giving.
Have
Public
that.
records law, buddy.
Okay, she doesn't.
But we
have
turn
that.
it in here, and
no.
you guys have 5 days to
Here's-
respond. You send it up to the chief.
This
Public
actually
records
goes
request.
to
This goes to our headquarters.
I know,
This
but
isn't
we
our
can turn it in
headquarters.
here.
It goes to
It goes to
And so,
headquarters.
so the way in here, the onus is on you guys to get it there because I don't
understand
have
that.
to go
Okay,
travel to
here,
headquarters.
fill it out.
I will fill it
Fill
out.
it out.
I'll get them. I don't need your help again for like the 15th
You're
time.
just asking for our help.
I can.
We're
No,
here
I'm
to help
not.
you.
Okay.
I said when I want my from you guys. That's it. That's all. Other than that, I'm going to record around, get my pictures,
Okay.
get my content for my
Okay.
story. Completely horrible,
Okay.
and you're very ignorant of the law. Don't understand it.
What
Are you a
what are we
peace
stopping?
officer,
Yes, sir. What are we stopping you from doing?
Then how come you think that that
What am
just
I-
because she doesn't want
What
it, I
am
can't record?
stopping you?
I don't need your help.
I can stand here and talk to
You
you as
can,
well.
but you're dismissed from me. I don't need your help, bud.
Well, you're dismissed from my building because
building, it's not your building.
But
The
if you
public
have no
owns
official
this.
business,
I do.
If you
the
have no
First
official
Amendment
business,
is official business.
I get that.
Public.
Completely unprofessional, right? The secretary works for the public, but can't handle being filmed. Even worse, this is a public building, yet Officer McCusker keeps pressuring the citizen to leave just because he's recording. Officer, no one needs official business to be in a public building. As long as they're not breaking the law, they have every right to exercise their constitutional freedoms, like recording and holding public officials accountable.
business, move along. You're causing a
Well, when I'm
disruption.
done with my business, I'll move along.
Okay.
My camera is not a disruption. You guys,
It's
not
a
a disruption.
It's not a disruption to you. It's a disruption to us, and that's what we're telling you.
So what is
Okay.
the disruption?
The disruption is you're taking us away from.
I've already
leave
said
the
you're
building.
dismissed. I
Finish
don't
your
need you.
business and go on.
I don't have to leave the building. It's a public
Okay,
building.
I got you. Public business
I've,
here.
I've repeated it like 15
Okay,
times.
Then
Then
do your
do
public
it.
business.
I will,
and
but
then
I don't
we'll
need
do
your
it.
help.
We're
I
not
don't
helping
need your
you.
help.
you.
I
Go
thought you were
ahead,
gonna fill
do
out your
your
form.
thing. Don't talk to me.
you
I'm
gonna
gonna
fill
fill
out-
out my form.
Right here?
Oh my God, these people don't listen. Sorry.
Okay.
I'm going to fill out this form.
Okay.
I'm going to grab some more forms and probably sense to you now.
Sure.
Okay, that's why the form went in my pocket. Is that
Gotcha.
okay?
Sure.
Okay.
Sure.
All right. Stop thinking that people's.
What?
Stop thinking that people's feelings trump my
I
rights.
never said that.
She doesn't want you on camera. You can't be here because she doesn't want you to record her. That is her feelings trumping my First Amendment right. It does Seattle. Go look it up.
Go.
Ignorant
business.
as all hell, man. The only one who was halfway decently professional.
Oh, now you're calling
ignorant.
names?
I say that you are ignorant. That's not a
Okay.
name.
Okay.
But
Well, that's
being,
not. That's
being
not a label.
ignorant
Okay.
is not a name, and you shouldn't be. You're a
I
peace
must be.
officer.
I must be.
You should. That's why I
I'm
said.
not. I haven't
where's your
escorted you out of the
supervisor?
building. What? Way
You
over.
building.
No, I said
To
I
do
didn't.
that, I know
Did
you
hear
can't.
me?
It's not about didn't. You don't have a choice. To do that would be
Go ahead-
violating
go
my
hold your
rights.
business.
Go ahead and do yours. This is just absolutely ridiculous, dude. Okay, now there's blocking of my camera by.
I'm not blocking him.
You're definitely blocking my camera. So watch as I move over. Oh, he's gonna come back. Yep, see, there we go. That's all I needed to prove you're ignorant public servants, man. I just don't get it. We are letting you do this. We are letting you. You're not just pay your salary.
No, they don't.
I have a right to.
No, they don't.
Yes,
actually.
they do. Actually.
No, they don't.
How's your salary paid?
We're self-services and
Exactly.
registrations.
People that go there and buy those things.
You're funding it.
They're funding.
Do you buy a
it.
hunting license?
Correct. Yeah.
Do you buy a license?
Yes, I do.
From
of
us.
course. Well, you have to.
You don't have to. That's
Yeah,
why
you
we have a
can't.
job.
You can't. You can't. Yes, so you
well,
have to.
Well, you can't legally, but people do it.
Well,
That's
yeah,
why we
but
have a
I don't
job.
break laws.
Okay, good.
Right?
That's
That's
good. I
the
appreciate
bottom.
that.
Now, do I think it's okay? No, I don't think it's okay. I do believe in game management, fish management, things like that, but I don't to hunt things that we have a right to on our land. But whatever, that's my opinion.
Okay.
That's not a law, like the other ones I gave. So this guy is unprofessional as all hell as well.
We already know that.
All right, guys, this is how some public employees react to constitutional rights. There's no better way to describe it than unprofessional and uninformed. I'm sure you have your own thoughts on what just happened, but please remember this: constitutional rights don't disappear just because someone feels uncomfortable. So if you ever find yourself in a similar situation, stand strong and assert your rights. Oh, bank employee demands someone's ID for filming his building from a public sidewalk. Absolutely ridiculous.
Record. I have a right to record. ID. Oh no, can I see your ID?
Well, you're recording our business, so I'm asking you, do you have it?
Yeah, but you're
Next up, we have another audit on the sidewalk in front of a bank in Bakersfield, California. The citizen here isn't just testing how well constitutional rights are respected, he's also proving a simple fact. If the bank can record the sidewalk, then I, you, or anyone else can record the bank from the sidewalk. Will this be a smooth audit, or will tensions rise? Let's see.
Do you need some help?
Do I need some help?
Yeah, are you filming the building or?
Do you have any
No.
Okay, well you can't really help me then.
Okay, well I don't understand. Are you filming the building or?
I'm filming all the cars and I'm filming everybody that walks in and out, and I'm filming through the windows.
Why? Filming.
Why am I filming?
Yeah.
Okay, so I'm not really supposed to tell you this, but I'm a private investigator to do what I just explained to you.
Okay, well, you should be filming on.
I can't really hear you, I'm sorry.
You should be filming on a bank premises.
Well, look behind you, he's filming.
Who works here? No, you need to stop. I will call.
I'm not on the premises, ma'am. Everybody through the windows and all of the cars. Have a good day. Fine, thank you for asking.
Why are you recording me?
You're stopped in the middle of the road. Look,
I'm just passing by.
You can sleep well at night. I'm good.
Hi, are you recording? Can I ask that you not record me?
You can ask, yeah.
Can you please not record me?
Oh no, like I told the other lady, I have to do my job.
What is your, well, this is a financial institution. We've got security reasons why we don't. What is your job here?
Well, who is we that doesn't allow recording?
Well, we wouldn't allow recording. So,
But I mean, who's we? Because I'm not a part of we. That's you guys.
yeah, so I'm just trying. Who are you from and why you're recording?
Well, yeah, like I told the nice lady, I'm a private investigator. I'm here to investigate, but maybe just to record the building, maybe just to record all the cars, all that stuff. Yeah.
We don't allow recordings, so that's a
I get it.
security breach.
Yeah, so
for us to have for the safety of our employees and.
So what do I have to do with the security breach? I'm confused.
And allow somebody to record our place of employment. It's a bank, so.
Yeah, but I see video facing me right now. They're recording me right now. All these video cameras?
Yeah, they're set up for security, so.
Yeah, so camera. You guys have your security and I have mine. Fair enough, right? Equality. The good old United States of America. You have a right to record. I have a right to record.
Well, you're recording our business, so I'm asking you, do you have it?
Yeah, but you're
Can you not record, please?
No, I can't. I'm being paid a good money to do this. So unless you can pay me more than him, I'll take your orders. To take orders. Hey, ma'am, he's recording. Ma'am, violation of rules. He just recorded on...
You know, a complete lack of understanding of constitutionally protected rights led these bank employees to storm outside, barking orders, only to scurry back inside like scared puppies when this citizen educated them on the spot. Yet, for some reason, they still decided to call the police. The question is, will the officers uphold the law or will they make things worse? Let's get back to the video to find out.
What are you filming for?
I'm a private investigator, so I have to film you, sir. Yeah, have a good one. Good, sir.
Good. Hey, the bank obviously called. I'm sure you know that.
Oh, I don't know that, sir. Did they? Why did they call?
Because you're recording.
Oh, okay.
It makes people feel uncomfortable.
Oh, does it?
You have the lawful right to record. You're in a public to be respectful of people coming up to the ATM. Don't get too close to them recording. Obviously, it makes them feel uncomfortable. You know.
Yeah, I'll stay far away from the building.
So yeah, as long as you're in an open place, you feel free to record. Okay.
Right.
Mindful that it is a bank. People do feel uncomfortable, and they're gonna call us. Okay.
Oh, that's weird. I don't know why they would call you, and actually explain to them exactly what I'm doing. So I don't know why they called you.
What did you tell them?
Well, I just told them I'm here for pretty much what I told them. And
are you doing some type of experiments, research?
It could be. I can't say too much, but
okay.
But just between me and you, I'm standing out here minding my own business.
Okay, sir.
That's all I'm doing.
All right. You have yourself a nice day.
You too,
have any
sir.
Questions for me?
Looks like this bank just got a free lesson in constitutional rights. The citizen clearly explained that he was simply filming from a public sidewalk, but the employees refused to accept it and called the police anyway. Unfortunately for them, the officers in this case handled it perfectly, fully recognizing and respecting the citizen's rights. Arrested for cursing at police inside a public building, an illegal arrest.
Lock him up. Do me a favor. Lock him up.
Why are you arresting him?
Record it.
You arrested him for freedom of speech?
Yes. Disorderly conduct and trespass.
Now, let's move to another situation at Lincoln Hospital, New York, which raises serious concerns about how law enforcement operates. A group of auditors visited here to record and learn about the complaint filing process, but one citizen suddenly found himself in trouble with Officer Suarez. At first, police had no issue with the filming, but when they didn't like someone using profanity, Suarez quickly turned around, demanded they leave, and even threatened arrest for disorderly conduct. But the real question is, does the law actually work this way? Oh, let's watch.
Videotaping him.
I'm here to file a complaint or get some... Can I get some information on how I can file a complaint? Can I get your name and badge number, please? Miss, I need your name and badge number. We can't go past that way either.
What? See your mask, I can't hear you. Fuck out of here. Shut up, nigga. Shut up.
Chill. Miss, you don't even want to identify yourself.
Good morning.
Just chill.
Several languages. Bienvenido. I don't know what that says.
That means welcome.
I know. Good morning, how are you? How can I help you?
Hey, I'm trying to get information on how I can file a complaint, and I want her name and badge number.
First of all, what's your name and your badge number? Let's get to that.
Have you been drinking?
No, I have.
You have?
Yeah,
okay. But I mean, I can smell it.
I can smell it, but I can't smell your badge. Can I see your badge number, please? Is it legal to drink? Let me ask you that. Is it legal to drink? Because I just came from a bar off the block. Is it legal?
Okay. So you need a...
The fuck up. What happened?
All right, do me a favor.
It's freedom of speech.
I'm gonna give you a verbal warning. All right.
Yeah, talk to my boy.
I'm gonna give you a verbal warning. That's the first verbal warning.
I'll talk to you before I leave.
To stop what?
So, Sergeant, to be clear for the record,
Yes.
stop speaking.
No, not stop speaking. Stop cursing.
So you don't like
What?
cursing is
Freedom of speech is
You
not
got
the
that tongue in your
bro.
back of your neck. You
especially
talk
this.
Lock him up. Do me a favor.
Hold up, before we continue, I want to share some key legal context. In Duran v. City of Douglas, 1990, an Arizona citizen named Duran was arrested for cursing at police, accused of disorderly conduct. However, the federal appeals court threw out the charge, ruling that police cannot arrest someone just for using profanity or making offensive remarks. In this situation, Officer Suarez ordered an arrest for disorderly conduct simply because someone cursed. But as we just discussed, profanity isn't disorderly conduct. It's free speech, protected under the First Amendment.
Yes. Disorderly conduct and trespass.
Trespass how? You never asked him to leave.
Exactly. You gotta give me a warning.
You gotta.
All right. I'm not gonna talk.
I mean, we're in a,
All right, you gonna let me go there?
All right.
Are you gonna help me? Are you gonna help me conduct my business?
Can you stop recording?
So can you?
do you think?
Yeah, but you.
Sergeant, for the record,
The patient here. Obtain the expectation
don't
of
know if
privacy
she's-
of Lincoln
there's
Hospital.
no
If
expectation
you
of
keep
privacy in the public lobby.
No.
Her face isn't protected. You know
She's a
that.
patient.
You don't know.
We don't know. You don't.
We don't know that.
Just like we don't know that you don't know that.
Can you guys leave?
I came here to conduct
Can you
business.
leave? You leave.
What I'm gonna ask
Can you leave? Are you refusing to leave?
You didn't ask us. You
I'm
asked us
telling you.
if we
Are
can.
you
You're not
ordering
telling
us
us.
All right.
leave?
I'm ordering you guys to leave.
if we don't
It
leave?
is trespass. Are you leaving or not?
Well, if I don't leave, will I be arrested for trespass?
Ain't your car? You gonna meet me outside? Give me information.
I do not. Let's walk and talk.
Because I came here to conduct business, right?
Give him a discount.
So how long you gonna hold him? Should we wait for him?
I don't have to give you that information.
You wanna give us? Why not?
Let's walk and talk.
You haven't been courteous to me this whole time. You started talking to me.
Sergeant, just to be clear, somebody's speech. You can't turn it
You opening yourself up for a lawsuit, bro. You opening yourself up.
right? And I'm really giving you sincere advice. That is a violation of rights, right? Just the most important thing you don't have to
Do you know that?
protect our rights.
Can you help me? Because I came here.
Right now, no.
So.
All right, you came in here.
So you deny me public services on camera, right? Because I'm
I need to make a complaint out, sir.
I need information because every time I come here exercising my,
We've dealt with you.
I can't even
before.
answer my. You asked me a question.
You came here about 3 times already.
Peacefully.
We've been
peacefully.
Yes,
It's a
we've
public
been very
hospital.
peaceful. You are harassing.
Well, part of his
How?
conduct is harassment, isn't it?
Okay, I need you guys to leave.
Well, I kind of want
You still didn't write your name down.
You're trespassing us.
You got a pen?
I'm giving you. I don't have a pen.
So how long am I trespass for? I need this information.
Somewhere else.
You're the,
Whatever you're gonna do with the video,
Bro,
do with the video.
I'm trying to
But
be
I don't
peaceful.
consent
I've
for you
been
to put
peaceful.
it on YouTube because I know about you. Are you getting? You're getting aggravated?
This is a one-way conversation,
You're getting
right?
aggravated.
No,
I
not
see.
at all.
No,
I'm
it
trying to
seems
practice
like you are.
patience with you.
Okay, yes, I am.
And you asked me a question. I'm trying to
I'm
answer
trying to
it.
protect
And you're
you
being
and
very rude. I haven't been rude to
everybody
you.
else here.
I haven't been rude to you. I've been showing you
Can
business
exit
with
my
you.
lobby. I won't say it again.
Sergeant Suarez, would you mind having a cordial conversation?
No, he's a tyrant. He's a tyrant. Come on, bro.
I don't want to give you a hard time.
He doesn't care, bro. Just inside?
Off the grounds.
Off the grounds?
Yes, sir.
All right.
Thank you so much.
You will be held accountable. I'm just letting you know.
Thank you.
I told you, bro. Just got arrested, bro. Disorderly conduct. For how?
There's so much to unpack here. From banning filming in a public lobby to denying public services and even making an arrest over profanity under the false claim of disorderly conduct. I'm sure you have a lot of thoughts after watching this, so I'd really appreciate it if you share your opinions in the comments below. Police threatened to arrest a citizen just for putting his hands in his pockets. Unbelievable.
But I did give you a warning that if you touch what's in your pocket again, you will be detained.
For what crime?
Officer safety.
That's not a crime. Go inside, man.
For our final situation, we have a confrontation over civil rights right outside the Franklin, Indiana Police Department. A citizen was exercising his First Amendment rights, but that quickly made the officers uncomfortable. They immediately approached, questioning his actions. Will this turn into another case of police overstepping their authority, or will they be forced to back down and do their job properly? Let's find out.
Something in his front pocket. Don't touch that, please. Hey, don't touch that. I don't know what that is. Please don't grab it again.
inside.
I can. And you're more than welcome to film our police department.
That's what I'm doing. Now go back inside.
Too much in your pocket. All right, don't do that.
Sometimes you gotta reach. Now go back inside, man. Mind your business. I told you to. I didn't come out here. I didn't talk to you.
What's that?
I said, I didn't ask you to come out here.
Sir, I'm going to ask you again not to touch that in your pocket. All right, if you do it again, I'm going to put you in custody.
For what crime?
And I want to stay safe.
For what crime? You just said I wasn't detained, so what's going on?
Don't reach for that again, okay? All right?
Don't.
Okay. Here's what I want you to do. I'm going to be cool if you're cool.
Make sure my body cam's on.
I don't have a problem with that at all. I want to be cool, and I want you to be cool as well. Is there something we can help you with? The thing that you're filming for. Did you get a permit for it?
This.
Well, I don't like this either.
But then go inside, bro. Go inside. What's your name and badge number, dude?
What's that?
What's your name and badge number?
My name and badge number?
Yeah.
Sergeant Parsons.
Jill.
Officer Merritt, Franklin Police Department, badge 267.
Not doing anything. Go inside.
I want to make sure that the officers who I supervise are okay, and I want to make sure you're safe too.
I don't like you walking.
These officers clearly don't like dealing with citizens who know the law and stand up for their rights. That's the only reason they fixated on this guy when he was simply standing there, recording the police station, without breaking any laws. If there is one best solution to this situation, officers, get back to work and don't care about citizens who are lawfully exercising their constitutional rights.
I want to know what's going on here. I want to make sure that you're not trying to incite us for some kind of action.
I told you to leave me alone.
Leave you alone.
Then don't call it inciting or harassment.
We have the right to be out here just like you.
You're right. Then don't call it harassment, bro, because I'm not bothering you.
You're more than welcome to be here. You're more than welcome to keep walking. I've told you that.
So you said I'm not detained?
What's that?
You said I wasn't detained, right?
Correct. I did give you a warning that if you touch what's in your pocket again, you will be detained.
For what crime?
Officer safety.
There has to be a crime. There has to be a crime.
Because to me, that handle looks like it could be a handle to the left.
It's none of your business what it. Oh, see, this is the pro.
Mind if I remove it? You think determine it's a weapon?
I don't like to be surrounded. I'm being surrounded.
What's your name?
None of your business.
Not being surrounded. You out there, you still have. Not surrounded at all.
I'd like to come to some kind of resolution here. So
Well, the red.
I'm not going to go inside. Okay, because we're already down this road right now that we're in. That you want to film us because you want to incite some kind of.
I'm not inciting anything. You guys came to me.
Because of the way you're acting and the way that we're trained. Okay, we want to make sure that I'm staying safe. If you have gotten a reaction, is there anything else that you want?
Go inside, man. I done told you to go inside.
What are you doing?
None of your business, bro. Go inside. I'm not detained, so go inside. Detained. Okay. Yeah, if you, I'm not gonna let you handcuff me, then. You're not gonna touch me. It's gonna be hard to do. I'm telling you.
Here's what I want.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Here's what I'm asking.
Mm-hmm. No, then go inside. It's not a lawful order, bro. I can touch whatever I want. I'm not doing nothing to you. I told you already. Go inside anybody. He came to me. I never came to any of you guys. You guys walked up to me.
The reason why I came to you, building with your camera.
And who funds the city? Who funds this? Taxpayer. Who funds this?
The city.
That's the city.
I do. Any citizen who takes taxes that lives here in the city of Franklin.
All right then. All right. So go back inside. Mind your business. I'm walking up. Move.
What's up?
Move out the way, man.
Who walked away?
I'm off. In my pocket. I don't know what they wondering about, bro. There's nothing.
Officer Parsley's got a great idea. Disengage. Sergeant.
But do you want to know what this is, then? You guys really want, if you...
It's a holder for a camera.
Bro, you're tripping.
That's what I said earlier.
Yeah, that's what he said. You see that? Hold it for a camera, bro. Hold it out for your guys' well-being.
If it's a consensual contact, you can't tell him, hey, I'm gonna contact. He wasn't being detained. There was no reasonable suspicion of a crime.
We told him he wasn't being detained.
And under that basis, you had no authority telling him not to touch something. If you were afraid of it, if he's being detained, then you can tell him,
but I'm gonna show
hey,
you again.
Search you for weapons, or whatever you want to do.
See this?
But
I want to
authority to tell him not. No, I watched
see that?
live. You were telling him, you touch that again, I'm gonna put you in cuffs. Yes, right. That was wrong. You acknowledge that was wrong.
Here's what we're talking about. I appreciate you guys out here, especially with your First Amendment right of free speech. As law enforcement, that we...
You want to get that on your body cam? Get that on your body cam. See that? It's a hand holder.
Disregard your training, right?
Well, here's what I want you to do.
Here's not detained. If he's not detained, will you agree with this? He wants to touch. He can put his hands where he wants to touch.
Here's what I want you to do. Here's what I want you to do. Okay. So, we... And the law. I'm not going to get that discussion, but here's what I want you to respond to you guys in this country.
No, you guys are under Terry v. Ohio, which is the where you get the idea where you can stop and frisk and all that. Just let me finish.
We're talking about stopping and frisk.
Yeah, Terry v. Ohio. Right.
We didn't stop.
I understand that, but it's a consensual contact. Under consensual contact, you can't demand that he
We didn't stop and frisk him.
But you were demanding that he not put his hand on his. But you're making demands of him that you have no authority to make. But you stopped him. You said, you put your hand on that again, I'm going to cuff you.
Did he get cuffed?
Because he didn't do his hand. You had your hand here. Yeah, I saw it. It was live. It was live stream. But would you not be a person? Okay, you're just gonna talk over me.
Right. Well,
you're just gonna talk. Okay, you're gonna give me direct. Don't kick your wife and don't sleep with your neighbor's dog. How's that?
That's all good advice.
Yeah, great advice. You don't have somebody detained. You have no authority. You have zero authority. No, don't be you. You listen to me for a second. If you have zero authority to instruct him what to do or not to do with that. There's no Supreme Court case that gives you authority over him when he's not detained. Is that right?
So if
tell me the Supreme Court case that gives you authority over him when he's not detained.
If you guys had an issue with
that, and I've made that clear.
You guys could come and talk to the chief or deputy chief.
Okay.
I think
that's a brilliant idea. That's the smartest thing you've done today. That's the smartest thing you've done today.
Not with
all right.
Not with you, but Sergeant Carson, Franklin. We're gonna disengage.
Just so we know who else was out here.
Sergeant too. It was on live. He got both me and him. He did not get him.
What's your name, Ambassador? What's your name, Ambassador?
Overall.
You got a business card? Not on you?
Saying you can't touch that or I'm going to put you in.
Change so quickly, and this changes things. This changes things. I'm not detaining you. I can detain you. It's your safety, as he stated. I'm not. We're going to disengage. I'm just letting you know.
Just have a good day, guys. Don't let your ego.
Why are you on officer safety? That's the excuse they use to justify threatening a citizen with jail time just because he put his hands in his pockets. That's exactly what police said to defend their actions in this case. But like I said, unless a citizen is breaking the law or officers have clear evidence of a crime, they have no right to detain or interfere with someone's normal daily life. That's the law. Once again, we've seen how some police officers abuse their power to suppress citizens just for exercising their lawful rights. But the most important takeaway here isn't just the frustration, it's the lesson. You have the right to film in public, you have the right to ask questions, and you have the right not to be intimidated for holding law enforcement accountable. Speak up, stand firm, because your rights, my rights, and everyone's rights matter. If you found this video helpful, share it so more people can understand their civil liberties.